All right. Well, I want you to unveil the. Okay. Hey, what up, everyone? Wait, where's the light? I'm following the light because I want to die. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. It's been like a week and a half, and we have the short block done finally. All right. Well, I want you to unveil the. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. That was not expected, but there you go, guys. New pistons. PZV. Look at that. That's awesome. Here's the piston. I fucked up. I put the rings in the incorrect what is it? Orientation.
How many of those did you do wrong?
All of them. No, they were all perfect, like in terms of clockwise, like the clock and gap. I just put them backwards. So
Upside down.
Upside down. So now I have to take all the pistons out. Well, I already took 2 out, and those are fixed, which is the number 1 and 4. And we're doing
working
2
on
and 3.
2 right now, and then 3's next.
Yeah. But we just want to give you an update. All I'm going to do is I'm going to regap the second ring. I'm going to make it a little wider. So, you know, this is a boost application, so I need wider gap. And then put it back in the correct orientation. So I'm going to show you what I do for the gap. I have a little tool over here. This is definitely necessary when you're doing this gapping issue. So I'll show you that here in a second.
What is it? You know I will. Say it. Finish it.
Myself.
Eat a Tide Pod.
Okay. Alright guys, we are finally going to put this fucking head on there. It's
Stop
okay.
playback.
It's not really going to matter, but
It's pretty loud.
the head is, so he already got all the valves because he's stronger than me, sadly. So thanks. Now we're going to put this on there. So I'm going to set up the camera somewhere to, oh yeah, there's a tripod. So yeah, we're going to set up on a tripod and then we're going to put the head back on the car. I mean, head back on the block.
Car?
Awesome. I'm ahead of myself, brother.
Brother?
All right. Alright, everyone, since we have nuts instead of long bolts, it is a great idea, especially shut. Give me this. So if you don't have, let's say, a magnetized tool or something like that, I don't know if they sell those, you can actually use these. Yeah, so use a little piece of paper towel, kind of put it in there, or actually just do that, and then push it in. and then you can just put it on the actual stud. So that's a cool
I thought of
tip.
that. I want credit.
Yes, so Blaine thought of that. It was actually pretty smart. All right, so
Stop playing that.
we'll keep doing the what is it? Time lapse. Yeah, so we'll keep doing a time lapse for now.
So it doesn't waste your batteries?
No, dude, they last forever.
Okay, you wanna? Is it going now?
Yeah, well, since there's no sound,
Well,
there
just,
you go.
Oh, just recap.
Yeah, well, yeah, there
So
you go.
this
That's
is how
what,
you effectively clean an intake manifold.
yeah.
Oh, it's burning my hand off.
Woo!
Did you see that? Rick.
You're having way too much fun now.
I'm cleaning it.
I think it's done.
It's not done till the can's empty.
Jesus Christ, Lane.